Hey folks, Kevin here. I'm recording this audio component of this video on January 24th, 2026. This is a video, it's not going to be too long. This is a video of the work that was done on the new property, creating a pond down in a very wet, almost not swampy, but very, very low spot on the property. And what I did first was I came down here with Elon. I found a couple of big rocks and then cleaned out a lot of the weeds, the stumps, the materials that were down here. A lot of footage has been lost over when February 20th of this past year came. We lost our big server with a lot of our video files and all. So I had cleaned out the area somewhat. Thea was just checking out to see the work that I had done. After cleaning out the area, finding the big rocks and all, I decided to start one of the shallow ends of the pond over here and build up a perimeter so that we'd be able to go around the pond eventually after all the excavation and all. So what you're going to see here is some time-lapse footage of the excavation work that was done. I took out all the video footage where I hauled all of the materials away for either building beds, replacing topsoil in areas, or where we used all of the brown material, the sand and gravel material, to cover stone wall material that was used to create a road to this property from the other property. So this whole process began, I believe, in July of 2023, at the end of July when the drought was beginning, and it continued through August. And there will be a little bit of footage of, at the end of this video, excuse me, of when I was coming back after the ground had solidified. So when you're doing all of this excavation and you're working around on it, even though you're tracking in and packing in the soil as best as you can, it's very soft. I put in a new spillway towards the end of the video, and I placed a couple of the boulders, but since then there's been a lot of work done. Some of that footage was lost as well. So that's what you're going to see. Is basically this video is just going to show you some of the excavation work. There's multiple different levels. We take the rocks and we put them back down into the deeper sections. That's where all the minnows and all can hide from larger fish eventually and all. And you'll see I'm building pathways all around the perimeters as well. So that's what you're going to see in this video. When I get a chance, I'll find some more video footage after we reseeded the area and place all the different sitting boulders around, all of those things to create a nice little place. This is in a wooded area, but not as densely wooded as Pond 8, which was done before this. This is actually Pond 9. And there'll be another video that shows up shortly after this video showing the excavation of Pond 10, which was done in 2024. So anyways, I'll hope you enjoy the video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them, and we'll take it from there.
In the riparian zone, where the land meets the stream, willows and alders in the sunlight gleam. Grasses sway gently, reaching for the sky, home to the creatures that wander by. We're building a haven, a sanctuary's call, where life can flourish and nature stands tall. With every layer and every stage, creating a pond where ecosystems engage. In the emergent zone, where reeds stand proud, frogs and insects gather, a lively crowd. Cattails and bulrushes reaching high, sheltering life beneath the sky. We're crafting a refuge where flora and fauna unite, edges and margins, an ecosystem so bright. With every contour and every plant, nurturing life in the water and land. In the submergent zone, beneath the waves, life is grown. Designing a pond, a natural masterpiece, where water flows and life's symphony never ceases. From shoreline to deep, in harmony it grows, creating a world in these beautiful zones. In the benthic zone, on the muddy floor, decomposers work, always striving for more. Crayfish and worms in the silty deep, turning decay into life, secrets they keep. We're building a haven, a sanctuary's call, where life can flourish and nature stands tall. With every layer and every stage, creating a pond where ecosystems engage. Designing a pond, a natural masterpiece, where water flows and life's symphony never ceases. From shoreline to deep, in harmony it grows, creating a world in these beautiful zones. Diversity blooms where edges unfold, turtles and birds in the landscape so bold. With every element carefully planned, we nurture the earth with our own hands. Diversity blooms where edges unfold, turtles and birds in the landscape so bold. With every element carefully planned, we nurture the earth with our own hands. In the corners of the world where shadows play, where the edges meet and blend, a new path lays. From the wild and untamed to the boundaries line, in the margins of the land, treasures we will find. Where the different worlds collide, in the margins where secrets hide, in the spaces where the wilds glow, there's a magic we can know. Use edges and value the marginal. In the meeting points, life's original. In the fringe of the grand design, find the wealth so rare, so fine. Use edges, let them show. In the margins, watch us grow. Where the forest meets the field and rivers wind, in the transition zones, new paths we find. From the untouched lands to the spaces in between, in the edges realm, we glimpse the unseen. In the contrast that we see, in the meeting of the sea and tree, in the margins life's revealed, in the blend our fate is sealed. Use edges and value the marginal. In the meeting points, life's original. In the fringe of the grand design, find the wealth so rare, so fine. Use edges, let them show. In the margins, watch us grow. In the contrast that we see, in the meeting of the sea and tree, in the margins life's revealed, in the blend our fate is sealed. Use edges and value the marginal. In the meeting points, life's original. In the fringe of the grand design, find the wealth so rare, so fine. Use edges, let them show. In the margins, watch us grow. So we cherish every line. In the boundaries, let them shine. Use edges, value all. In the margins, we stand tall.
pretty windy out here. But I just cut in this spillway. It's real muddy here. I mean, all this stuff is still freshly deposited on the surface here. And this can all be adjusted later on. Sorry about the wind. And I've got to take care of some of these limbs that are getting in the way. And I can line this with the stone from the stone wall here, but I took out the stone wall. And we'll just see what happens with it. I want to control it to go down in this direction here. I don't want it to go over to the road over there, but we'll have to see how things work out. Because I want to put at least like 2 vernal pools and a pond downstream from this. Now that we know that we've got a, this is a spring-fed pond. So later on today I'll come back and take a look at this and see how things look. And you know, next spring, next summer, I've got lots to clean up around here. And but this has all got to get firmed up. I'm just burying myself in here working. So I just really rough things out. And with the water level being maintained a little bit lower, and I may end up building up these sides a little bit more over here. We'll see. I think this is at a good level over on this side. But this is all working so far, so it's not going down over there and making it a big swamp where the roadway is that I put in. But we'll see how well this runs. That spring may be quite active now, even though when I dug it, it was just minimally. But they can open up and see. This has been running for a little while there. Well, it'll define itself. Ultimately, I'll be able to see where everything goes. So that's an update over here. Now I can head back, I think, and get some work done back home.
Now listen close, my darlings, as the years begin to fly. You'll face a world of choices beneath the changing sky. I've walked a path before you, seen seasons come and go, and learned a truth worth holding as seeds of wisdom grow. You'll meet all kinds of people, some will lift you, some will drain, but never forget this lesson, through sunshine and through rain. You're the CEO of your own life, my precious ones, it's true. You hire and you fire what serves and nourishes you. Promote based on actions, not just words that sweetly fall. Your company's your spirit, standing strong and standing tall. No concessions, no compromises when it comes to what's inside. Hold your standards high, my loves, with nothing left to hide. Some folks will promise castles and futures grand and bright, but watch their feet, my dears. Do they walk in truth and light? Are their intentions genuine or just a fleeting show? Your intuition's compass will always truly know. It's hard to make those tough calls when feelings run so deep, but peace of mind's a treasure worth all the tears you weep. You're the CEO of your own life, my precious ones, it's true. You hire and you fire what serves and nourishes you. Promote based on actions, not just words that sweetly fall. Your company's your spirit, standing strong and standing tall. No concessions, no compromises when it comes to what's inside. Hold your standards high, my loves, with nothing left to hide. It's not about being hardened or closing off your heart, but knowing where your boundaries are right from the very start. The people you surround you become a part of you. So choose with gentle wisdom, honest, kind, and true. For every moment's precious, a gift you can't reclaim. Build a life that honors your beautiful, unique name. And when you find those treasures who truly understand, who lift you up and cheer you on with helping heart and hand, cherish them, promote them to the highest, dearest place. They're the true collaborators in this journey's loving race. So manage your own destiny with courage and with grace. You're the CEO of your own life, my precious ones, it's true. You hire and you fire what serves and nourishes you. Promote based on actions, not just words that sweetly fall. Your company's your spirit, standing strong and standing tall. No concessions, no compromises when it comes to what's inside. Hold your standards high, my loves, with nothing left to hide. So go forth, my dear ones, with wisdom in your stride. The CEO of your own life, with nothing left to hide. Your life, your rules, make it shine so bright.